You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -32/15. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 5x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Remove the ones. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -32/15.